Hello everyone, welcome to my English classes. I hope you are well at home. Now today we are going to study about tenses, and the first part in the tenses is present tense. Now in present tense there are four parts: simple present tense, present continuous tense, present perfect tense and present perfect continuous tense. Now we will see in detail what are these four parts, what comes in these four parts. Now in present, simple present continuous, as first of all I want to tell you what is present tense. Present tense is that in which the action is taking place at this moment. Like I am teaching you tenses, so this is your present tense in a simple form. Right. Now what is simple sentence first? Simple sentence is that sentence in which there is only one subject, one verb and one object. Like, he plays cricket. Now this is simple sentence, and this is also considered as your simple present tense because the action is taking place at this moment. Plays. That means the boy is playing right now. Okay. Now here in the simple present tense we will see that in what cases the simple present tense takes place. Now first, to state facts and repeated action. Facts and repeated action. Facts means the realities, and repeated actions means a particular action takes place again and again, like you are washing clothes. So the machine throws out fibrous parts of the fruit. जो आपका जूस निकालने वाली मशीन होती है वो क्या करती है? वो गंदे पार्ट्स को निकाल देती है and only takes out the juice for you. So the machine is working again and again, and the action is repeated again and again in this. Like machine throws out dirt part, you can say dirt part out. Here throws is your present action which is taking place. Now what first point is saying? That it states facts and repeated action. This means that throws here shows you the present form, as well as this action is taking place again and again. Whenever the person will use the machine will work the same action. The same action will be done on that machine, that it will throws out the dirt parts from the fruit. Right. Now second fact, to express habits or customs. Habits means here the action which takes place again and again, and it is a habit, like you brush your teeth daily. So you brush your teeth, you have brushed your teeth yesterday, you are brushing your teeth today, you will brush your teeth tomorrow. So this will be considered in your present form because this is a habit. Okay, the boy brushes his teeth every day. That means the action here also is repeated. Okay, the action is repeated here again and again daily. So this will be considered in your present tense. Then third form, to express general truth. General truth means that which cannot change. It is reality, it is truth. Like the sun moves round, the earth moves round the sun. Round the sun. Now here, this is the truth that we cannot change. It is a universal truth, you can say. Okay? Or you can take another example. Baby cries. This is also a universal In the simple present tense, there is a future planning also. Like suppose your birthday is coming. So in one day you will not make the preparations. You will make 2 or 3 days back to make the preparations for your birthday. Right? Like tomorrow is your birthday. So today you are going to buy your clothes. So this will be considered as your future plans, but will be considered in your simple present tense. The next is to report even in real time. To report events in real time means like the snake bite the boy. The snake bite the boy. Right? The snake bite the boy. Here also it is simple present tense because it is reporting the real truth that the snake only bites. Right? Now we will see what are the other points. Forming sentences in simple present tense. Now simple present tense में आप कैसे form करते हो sentences? Okay. First, you take the affirmative part. Affirmative means positive sentences. Affirmative plus subject plus verb. Right? Like I have told you, she sleeps. She sleeps. Here, she is your subject and sleeps is your verb. So in simple present form, the affirmative sentences is there in which subject and verb is needed. So she is subject, sleeps is your verb. Then comes negative sentences. How to frame negative sentences? Affirmative is your positive sentences. You can say in other words. And in negative sentences, you add do or does not. Like she do not work hard. Or she does not works hard. So here you see that do not and does not is your negative part, negative sentences. Then comes your interrogative sentences. Now, what are interrogative words? First I want to tell you. The interrogative words are those words which frame the sentence, and in the end of the sentence you put a question mark. Now, what, where, do, does, did, when, how, these are your interrogative words. When you start the sentence with these words, the sentence is automatically changed into interrogative sentences. Now, interrogative here is interrogative does plus subject plus verb. So, does she sleeps? Question mark. Does she sleeps? Then, these are the different parts in your simple present tense. Okay, now when you add with the verse sound. Verse sound is this one. Where does she go? Where does she go? Question mark. Now here this is verse sound in the interrogative form. So in the verse sound, where you are using verse sound for the interrogative sentences, you say that does she go is also interrogative. But when we can add where verse sound also to change it into interrogative sentences with do, does, did, and so on. Like he is brushing his teeth. Now here you see with the verb I am using plus ing. Okay, when we add ing to the verb is changed to continuous form. Okay, now then second point is for a temporary action which is in progress but may not actually happen now. That means like for example, I am following these rules. Now here the action is not taking place just now, but it is in process. The action is going on. At present you are not doing it. So you can say it is in temporary form, in the present form. Then for future actions that have already been arranged, that means the action you know what is going to take place. You already know, right? Like Rima is going to France on holiday. Rima is going Goa on a holiday. That means future plan is there. But this will be considered in your present continuous tense because here with the verb ing called continuous tense, the planning has taken place and the action will take place a bit later. Then we will see present. Now, how to frame present continuous. How to frame present continuous. Now, in the affirmative sentences, write subject plus is plus verb plus ing. Okay, like the boy is playing. Now here you see this is subject, this is helping verb is, okay, this is main verb plus ing. So in the affirmative sentences, in the negative sentences, you will add not. In the negative sentences, like the boy is not playing. The boy is not playing. Then in the interrogative sentences, you will use the helping verb is in the beginning of the sentence to change the sentence into interrogative form. Like, is the boy playing? Is the boy playing? So with is, the question is formed. With is, the question is formed. Now, again in the first part I was told you about the verb sound. Where is the boy playing? Right? With the verb sound, we can use where is the boy playing. Now we will see present perfect tense. Now what is perfect tense first? Perfect tense means, what is means by perfect? Perfect means the action you know already. What you are doing or what you are going to do or what you have done. Right? So in the present perfect tense, we will see is used in the following cases to indicate completed activities in the immediate past. Immediate past means just I have completed your present continuous tense. So this is the present present perfect tense because I know I am teaching you present continuous tense. Right? Like she has just taken her medicine. She has just taken her medicine. That means the action has taken place just now. Has is showing you the present form. Just taken. This is the third form of the verb. Okay. So here that means present perfect tense means the action just has taken place. Second part we will see. To state past action whose time is not given or not definite. Means the action is taking place but you don't know the timing when the action has taken place. For example, the library has shut down. Now here you see the action has already taken place just, but here the timing is not shown. The library has shut down. When the library has shut down, but here with the help of has, it is showing you the present form, present perfect. Then to describe the past events when we think more of effect in the present. Derek has failed the test. Derek has failed the test. Now here, Derek has failed this test is event. Event kaun sa tha? The test. That means he has failed. The action has taken place just before. And has is showing you the present form. This is the third form of the verb fail. Failed. Okay. Now, that means the test has already taken place beforehand. Then, to denote the action beginning at some time in the past and continuing to the present moment. That means the action has taken place, like I have taught you this, right? But here still I am going on, still the tenses is going on. So this will be considered as your present perfect tense. Now how to frame present perfect tense? How to frame present perfect tense? In the affirmative sentences, subject plus has or have, then main verb plus ed, okay, and ed, e or en. For example, she has eaten her food. Now with the formula, this is subject, has is used with the main verb and plus en, her food, object. Then in the negative sentences, here we will add not. In the negative sentences, she has not eaten her food. This is changed into negative form. Then interrogative means you will use helping verb has. She eaten her food. Eaten her food. Question mark. Okay, I hope you have understood present perfect tense. Now we will see present perfect continuous tense. Perfect tense you know, now we will add continuous tense. That means the action which you know what you are going to do and it is taking place just now also. Means you have started in the beginning, in the past, and still it is going on. It is not completed but still it is going on. Present continuous tense is used for the action which is still continuous but which began sometime in the past. That means as I am teaching you this, okay, still I am teaching you tenses. So this will be considered as present perfect continuous tense because I know what I am teaching you. Right? Like for example, He has been playing cricket. Now here, this is subject, this is helping verb has, helping verb, and this is also main verb. Oh, sorry, here will be playing cricket. Okay, main verb plus ing plus object. Now you will see the formula in the affirmative sentences. Subject plus has plus been plus main verb plus ing form and the object. In the negative, he has not been playing, sorry, not here, not been playing cricket. In the interrogative sentences, you will say, has he been playing cricket? With question mark. Has he been playing cricket? Question mark. I hope you have understood what is present tense. Simple present tense, the action which is taking place at the present moment, but there is only one subject, one verb and one object. Present continuous tense means the action which has taken place in the past, but still it is going on, it is not completed, or just it is completed. Present perfect tense means the action which you know what action you are doing and it is taking place at the present moment. Present continuous tense means the action which has taken place before and still it is going on. Perfect means you know what action you are doing. Thank you.